Hello everyone, we are here for basic level spoken English method 1 conversation. Okay, so you are ready?
Yes.
We will begin with the personal questions. Okay, tell me what is your name?
My name is Arya Mustafa.
How old are you?
I am 14-year-old.
Where do you live?
I live in Sumasra.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is lion.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
What do you do every morning?
I pray to God.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I like my school.
What languages do you speak?
I speak Hindi and English.
Good. Next. Ready? Tell me what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat poha.
When do you go to school?
I go to school 8 p.m.
What do you do after school?
I play video games after school.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I brush my teeth every day.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you take a bath every day?
Yes, I take a bath every day.
What do you do on Sundays?
In Sunday, I play video games.
What do you do before sleeping?
I pray to God.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help my parents at home.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ready? Tell me, do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
Do you like to draw or paint?
I like to draw.
What games do you play?
I play basketball and badminton.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
Which cartoon do you like the most?
I like singing.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What songs do you listen to?
I like all kinds of songs.
Speak louder. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I like to read books.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like funny movies.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Thank you. Ready? I'll ask about school and friends. Tell me who is your best friend?
My best friend is Parimati.
Speak louder, okay? What do you do with your friends?
I usually play with them and talk with them.
Do you like your teachers in school?
Yes, I like my teachers in school.
What do you do at recess?
At recess we talk and eat lunch together.
Okay. What subjects do you study in school?
I study maths, science, SST, Hindi, English and computer.
Okay. Do you write with pen or pencil?
I write with pen.
Okay. What games do you play at school?
At school I play badminton, basketball and chess.
Do you enjoy reading time?
Yes, I enjoy my reading time.
Do you ask questions in class?
I sometimes ask the questions.
Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, I do my homework every day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready? Okay. These are general questions. Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch TV in my free time.
What do you see in the sky?
I see birds in the sky.
Do you drink milk every day?
No, I don't drink milk every day.
Do you go to the market?
Yes, I go to the market.
What do you buy from the shop?
I buy required items from this shop.
Do you go to the park?
Yes, I go to the park.
What do you do at the park?
I play at the park.
Do you like rain?
No, I don't like rain.
What do you do when it rains?
When it rains, I stay at home.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ready?
Yes.
This is about personal experience but answer in past tense. What did you do yesterday?
I did study yesterday.
Where did you go last weekend?
I went to Mandsaur last weekend.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate poha for breakfast.
Did you watch TV last night?
Yes, I watched the TV last night.
Did you go to school yesterday?
No, I didn't go to school yesterday.
What did you wear yesterday?
I wore frock yesterday.
Who did you meet last week?
I met my cousin last week.
Did you play any games yesterday?
No, I didn't play any game yesterday.
What book did you read last month?
I read academic books last month.
What did you learn yesterday?
I learned English yesterday.
Thank you. Ready? It's about daily routine, but past events. What time did you wake up today?
I woke up around 7 o'clock.
Did you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I brushed my teeth in the morning.
What did you do after waking up?
I prayed to God after waking up.
Did you eat lunch at school?
Yes, I ate lunch at the school.
What time did you go to bed last night?
I went to bed around 11 o'clock.
What did you do after dinner?
I studied after dinner.
Did you take a bath in the morning?
Yes, I took a bath in the morning.
Who helped you with your homework?
No one helped me with my homework.
What time did your school start yesterday?
There is no school yesterday. It was Sunday.
What did you do after school?
I studied after school.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to ask about likes and dislikes, but in past. Did you like the movie you watched last week?
Yes, I liked the movie I watched last week.
Did you enjoy your previous birthday celebration?
Yes, I enjoyed my previous birthday celebration.
What game did you play yesterday?
I didn't play any game yesterday.
I didn't play. Did you eat ice cream last weekend?
Yes, I ate ice cream last weekend.
What was your favorite cartoon as a child?
My favorite cartoon was Shin Chan as a child.
Did you like your lunch yesterday?
Yes, I liked my lunch yesterday.
What song did you listen to last?
I don't remember.
Okay. Did you enjoy your previous holidays?
Yes, I enjoyed my previous holiday.
What toy did you play with when you were younger?
I played with teddy bear.
What food did you not like when you were small?
I didn't like fruits when I
Okay.
was.
Thank you.
Thank you.